Hey everyone, this is Stephen Casey Railpin, and today I have a package here that I just got from TrainWorld recently. This is something I recently ordered. So you may wonder what's inside. So I'm gonna open it in front of you guys. So see what's inside. So Alright, it's opened. So just gonna get rid of all this out. So the first up I have is this car right here. This is a Bowser 100-ton hopper. So basically I have is a chassis system, but it has the CSX reporting marks. So it's pretty decent. This is actually from their newest run of the 100-ton hoppers. Like, you know, they did ones like some chassis systems, some BNSS, and that's with the horse head and all that. So I decided to pick one up in the chassis system scheme with the CSX reporting marks. So there's one. And also, one of my favorite things, I have like not just one, two, but these are also new. These are basically the Walters Proto Autoracks, so I have 3 of them. So the first one I have is Chicago Northwestern. The other one is Ferromex. And the other one is CN with the website logo and also the red letters. These are all Walters Proto. So for those who don't know, TrainWorld is offering a super sale on their Walters Proto Autoracks, because with the remaining Autoracks that they still have in stock on their website, I was able to order these. So let me just check, and it says each of them are $29.99 each. So I was able to get 3 Autoracks, and also a little bonus with this CSX hopper which is basically still in chassis scheme, because I just got this because I just love the chassis system. So it's actually a really good deal. I mean, with the fact that these are like $29.99 each, because some of them are like, you know, like, because they've been discounted. Some are like $34.99 and some were like $44.99. So, but the ones I got are the ones that are $29.99 each. So I'm really glad with these. So let me set these down so you can see everything I got. So there's the CN. I can show you. This one is Chicago Northwestern. And of course, Ferromex. So basically I have one that's an American railroad, a Mexican, and a Canadian. And also, don't forget this. I can show you that. So there it is. So that's basically going to do for this video. I just want to show you guys a little bit of my haul from TrainWorld that I have. So it's really nice. So anyways, thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys next time. And also, stay tuned for a review of these Walters Proto Autoracks that I got coming soon. So anyways, thank you all for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.